Hi, this is Rohela Khan. Welcome to Rohela Tech IT Solutions. In today's session, we are going to discuss about resource management. So, in warehouse, generally, forklifts, high reach truck, automated guided vehicles, stackers, and trolleys will be used. So, how we have to define these resources in the SAP EWM? So, we are going to learn about resource management in SAP EWM. So, assume are taken the requirement from the warehouse manager. So as per the warehouse manager, he is saying they are using FK01, FK02, FK03. These are the 3 forklifts in the warehouse and 2 high reach truck, 2 automated guided vehicles and 3 trolleys. So these are the resources they are going to use in the inbound, outbound and internal processes. So how to configure, how to create the master data in the warehouses. So we are going to learn today. So first of all, you have to define a resource type is a configuration. So since forklift, high reach truck, automated guided vehicles, trolleys are using by the different users with the different business operations, different warehouse processes. So here first these forklifts I am going to define under FKLT resource type. These high reach trucks we are going to define under HRCH, automated guided vehicles under AGV, and this trolley 1, 2, 3 trolleys under TRL resource. So total 1, 2, 3, 4 resource type we are defining. Then after defining a resource type, then you have to group this resource type under the resource group. So how? Based upon the requirement. Assume these forklifts and high reach trucks both are going to be used in the inbound outbound side for the heavy items. Okay, so more than 50 kgs of the pallets, cartons, or boxes can be picked or put away by the forklifts and high reach truck. So in those cases, I am going to club these forklifts and high reach truck under H item. The resource group is H items. You can clearly see here. So these are the forklifts and high reach truck clubbed under resource group. Then robot is a separate resource group which is going to link with your automated guided vehicles and trolleys. So always trolleys will be used for the low weight items like less than 20 kgs, less than 25 kgs. So it can be handled by the human resources, mainly in the picking side, in the replenishment side, in the internal movements, in the put away side. So these are the low items. So low weight items. Now, so this is the master data resource group. Why? Because today I may use one resource under one resource group, but tomorrow I may use in a different resource group. That's the reason it's a master data. In T-code/N/SCWM/RGRP, we maintain this. Next, queue sequence. This forklift and high reach truck, as we discussed, they are going to use in the inbound side, outbound side. So we are assigning the inbound and outbound queues as their warehouse operations. So assume the FK01 first forklift, they want to use in inbound, second forklift also in the inbound, but the third forklift they want to use in the outbound side. And suppose high reach truck, they want to use in the outbound side. High reach truck 2, they want to use it in the inbound side. So based upon the requirement, this trolley is always they want to use in the outbound side. So I've assigned with the queues called outbound. Next. So these resources are going to handled by some users, SAP users. So we can fix these resources with the users. Assume we have 10 user IDs in the SAP system. So these 10 IDs will be assigned with resources. So it's not necessary one resource is fixed for the user. According to the situation, one user can accommodate in multiple resources but not at the same time. So simultaneously he cannot run 2 different warehouse operations with 2 different resources. One time, one assignment of the resource. So this is all about the resource management in SAP EWM. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please share and like the video. Thank you.